Hey guys, let's take a look at this EZARC hole saw kit here. So this is a bimetal kit. I believe it's metal and cobalt. So mystery metal and cobalt, that's what these things are made out of. So it does give you a little diagram of everything that's in here. Interesting to see a little 3/4 in here on a hole saw. That's very interesting. So how do these teeth look? They don't look terrible. Kind of hard to see on camera, but they actually kind of expand outward away from the body here, which is good. So the hole we're cutting will be slightly wider than the body of this. So when it goes into the wood, we're not burning on the sides here. Case in point, I've been running this one. This is a 1 3/4 or 14 millimeter. Thanks for the explanation on that one. And you see we haven't really burned off a lot of the paint on the side here because these do stick out a little ways from the body. You can kind of see it there. So yeah, the cutting surface is just a tiny bit bigger than the body. They advertise that it's really easy to get the plugs out of these because there's these little cutouts that you can kind of shove a screwdriver into. And then sure, that does work, but hole saws are always just a pain in the neck to get stuff off of. As far as installing them goes, they do give you 2 different styles of mandrel. So that guy for doing your smaller bits, and then this one for your regular fellas. It does work a little bit different than a lot of the other ones I've worked with. Well, not a lot, but some of the others I've worked with. So we'll screw this on. We want to screw it on to we're almost bottomed out on this base. And then we're going to screw from the bottom into the hole. So there we go. So now we are locked in. So you will find that this can kind of unscrew as you use it, but it's really easy to unscrew. I don't really like the ones that are collar that you just push in and push out because they'll bounce out and then this thing goes spinning on you. So pretty easy to put on and take off. And fairly secure feeling as far as those go. Backup drill bit, that's nice. Little Allen key, so if you do need to take the drill bit off of there, you can do it. So there we go with the old EZARC hole saw kit. Puts holes in stuff pretty good.